The Restoration period in English literature, spanning from 1640 to 1700, was a time of great change and innovation in the literary world. This period was characterized by the restoration of the monarchy and the reopening of the theaters after they had been closed during the English Civil War. The literature of this time reflected the social and political upheaval that had taken place, as well as the changing values and attitudes of the society. One of the most notable features of the Restoration period was the rise of the comedy of manners, which was characterized by its witty and satirical portrayal of the social and moral values of the upper class. Playwrights such as William Wycherley and William Congreve wrote acclaimed comedies that critiqued the hypocrisy and immorality of the aristocracy, while also providing a humorous and entertaining commentary on the society of the time. In addition to the comedy of manners, the Restoration period also saw the emergence of the Restoration tragedy, which was characterized by its exploration of themes such as love, honor, and betrayal. Playwrights such as John Dryden and Thomas Otway wrote tragic plays that depicted the complexities of human relationships and the consequences of moral and ethical dilemmas. These plays often featured complex and flawed characters, whose actions and decisions were the subject of intense moral scrutiny. The Restoration period also saw significant developments in poetry, with poets such as John Milton, Andrew Marvell, and John Dryden producing works that reflected the changing political and social landscape of the time. Satire and political commentary were common themes in the poetry of this period, as poets sought to engage with and critique the events and issues of their day. Overall, the Restoration period in English literature was a time of great creativity and innovation, marked by the emergence of new literary forms and styles that continue to influence the literary world to this day. The literature of this period provides a fascinating insight into the social, political, and cultural developments of the time, making it a rich and valuable resource for scholars and enthusiasts of English literature.